Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best car diagnostic scan available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Car Diagnostic Scan. The D5 is far more than a standard OBD2 code reader, making it an excellent investment for drivers who want professional-level diagnostics without paying for frequent shop visits. Instead of simply displaying warning codes, it provides in-depth analysis of the engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission systems, allowing you to read and clear fault codes while monitoring up to 4 live data graphs simultaneously for accurate troubleshooting. Its 10 essential service functions, including EPB service, ABS bleeding, throttle relearn, oil reset, TPMS reset, battery management, steering angle sensor calibration, and injector coding, help users perform routine maintenance confidently from their own garage, potentially saving significant repair costs. Compatibility with most 1996 plus OBD2 vehicles from over 90 American, Asian, and European brands ensures broad usability, while multilingual app support and VIN compatibility checks make setup simple. Next up, we have BC Boscom Car Diagnostic Scan. The Boscom F745 is a feature-rich diagnostic scanner that delivers impressive value for both DIY vehicle owners and professional technicians. Supporting over 10,000 vehicle models across 73+ global brands, it combines broad compatibility with a convenient one-click AutoVIN function that quickly identifies vehicles and speeds up diagnostics. The responsive 7-inch display and intuitive interface make navigation effortless, while Wi-Fi connectivity enables lifetime free software updates with no subscription costs, ensuring the tool remains current. It also stores diagnostic history and captures instant data snapshots, making it easier to track recurring issues and monitor vehicle health over time. Although it does not support bidirectional control or ECU programming, it excels at comprehensive diagnostics, battery system optimization, and everyday maintenance tasks. Backed by dependable after-sales support, a 1-year warranty, 30-day replacement policy, and lifetime technical assistance, the F745 is a reliable, cost-effective scanner that offers long-term value and dependable performance for routine automotive diagnostics. Coming in at number 3, Incel Car Diagnostic Scan. The Incel DS100 is an excellent entry to mid-level diagnostic scanner designed for DIY car owners who want accurate vehicle insights without relying solely on repair shops. It offers comprehensive OBD2 diagnostics along with dedicated scans for the engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems, providing a much deeper understanding of vehicle health than basic code readers. Its 7 maintenance functions, including oil reset, ABS bleeding, brake reset, BMS matching, throttle adaptation, SAS reset, and gear learning, make routine servicing more convenient after repairs or component replacements. The responsive 5-inch touchscreen, AutoVIN recognition, and intuitive interface simplify operation, while the 4-in-1 live data display allows users to compare multiple sensor readings simultaneously for faster and more accurate troubleshooting. Additional features such as diagnostic report generation, I/M readiness checks for emissions testing, lifetime free software updates, and responsive online support further enhance its value. Overall, the DS100 is a practical, reliable, and cost-effective diagnostic tool for maintaining modern vehicles with confidence. Now at number 4, ThinkCar Car Diagnostic Scan. The ThinkCar 662 is a powerful bidirectional OBD2 scanner that brings professional-grade diagnostic capabilities to DIY users and repair shops at an impressive value. Its active testing functions allow you to communicate directly with the vehicle's ECU, helping diagnose components such as ABS, fuel injectors, throttle, cooling fans, coolant pumps, evap systems, and more, significantly reducing troubleshooting time and repair costs. Beyond full system diagnostics for the ECM, TCM, ABS, and SRS, it offers 12 essential maintenance functions, including ABS bleeding, oil reset, injector coding, throttle adaptation, TPMS, BMS, DPF regeneration, and steering angle reset. The AutoVin feature, real-time 4-in-1 live data graphs, DTC lookup, historical reports, and printable diagnostic results make vehicle analysis straightforward and efficient. Powered by a fast quad-core processor with a responsive 6.2-inch HD touchscreen and ergonomic controls, the ThinkCar 662 delivers speed, accuracy, and exceptional functionality, making it an outstanding choice for comprehensive automotive diagnostics. And finally, our last pick, Foxwell Car Diagnostic Scan. The Foxwell NT604 Elite is an excellent diagnostic scanner for drivers who want a dependable and affordable way to understand vehicle problems before visiting a repair shop. Unlike basic OBD2 code readers, it provides diagnostics for the engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission systems, helping identify the root cause of warning lights with greater accuracy. It also includes live data streaming, I/M readiness testing for emissions inspections, a built-in DTC library, data playback, and printable diagnostic reports, making it a practical tool for ongoing vehicle maintenance. The convenient AutoVin feature quickly identifies compatible vehicles, while support for over 60 global car brands and lifetime software access without additional fees adds outstanding long-term value. Although it does not perform reset or relearn functions and cannot erase crash-related airbag data, it excels at accurate fault detection and code clearing after repairs. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching. And sell Car Diagnostic Scan.